Has the person you love shut out, acting cold and stubborn? Are they giving you the silent treatment because their pride it is too big? Well, stop scrolling right now. Do not swipe past this video. You are stuck in the ego battle, and I promise you their tough act it is going to break into tiny pieces. They're going to drop their pride and come rushing back to you. Now, only watch this if you are truly ready. I have a secret phrase for you at the very end, so stay there. Guys, my name is Ivan. Before we break their walls, we must make a fair trade. I am doing heavy energy work for you today. The universe demands perfect balance. So, to give you my precious energy, you must give me some of yours. This is our energetic exchange. Hit the subscribe button right now to give your energy to this space. Then go to the comments and type your zodiac sign, their first initial, and the words I break their walls. By doing this, you show the universe that you are ready. I will wait for you. Okay, great. The portal is open. Let us quickly calm your heavy mind. If you are safe in your room, just close your eyes softly, put on your headphones. If you are out in public, let your eyes relax. Stare at this card and let the world completely blur away. Take one very deep breath in. Let it out with a soft sigh. You are totally safe here. Right now, you're probably crying, feeling like they do not care about you at all. You see their cold face, the awful silence, maybe even the block button, and you think they have fully moved on. You think their life is perfectly fine without you, but I'm here to tell you the absolute truth. That is a lie. Their stubborn silence, it is just a fake mask. They act tough because they are scared of how much control you have over their heart. The power is shifting right this very second because right now, their silly pride and ego, it is crumbling into dust. They are sitting all alone, staring at the blank wall with a massive wave of regret crashing over them. They tried to act like they did not need you, but everything feels cold. Everything feels dark without your beautiful light. They are starting to realize that shutting you out, it was the dumbest thing they've ever done. Nobody else gives them that safe, warm feeling. They're holding their phone right now, staring at your name. Their heart, it is beating so fast. The silence they created is driving them completely crazy. They thought they could win this silly game, but the space, it is too loud. They can feel that you are letting go and stepping into your own amazing superpower. And it scares them. They're so scared you will realize you deserve much better and walk away forever. Here's the thing. You are the ultimate prize, and they finally see they are losing the best thing they've ever had. They are missing you so deeply it physically hurts. Keep your eyes closed. I want you to imagine a very clear picture in your head. You are sitting on your couch, just watching a good show. You are perfectly happy and at peace. You're not checking your phone anymore. Suddenly, you feel a sharp buzz on the table. You look over at the bright screen, and it's their name. It is not just a short text, it is a long, emotional paragraph. They are telling you how sorry they are for acting so cold. They're saying they dropped all their pride, they made a massive mistake, and they are begging for your forgiveness. They cannot live without you. Feel that warm heat spread across your entire body and notice the calm, peaceful smile on your face. You do not rush to type back. You take your time because you know you won. Feel the pain lift off right off your shoulders, melting away into the universe. You are in complete control now. You never have to force them to talk again. It is already yours. Now, seal this magic in. Whisper this exact phrase out loud: I hold all the power. Listen to me carefully. The universe is moving things into place. If they do not text tomorrow, it just means the universe is slowly breaking down their very last wall of pride. Do not panic at all. If you feel sad or anxious tomorrow, just come back to this video and rewatch it to keep your energy high and the portal open. Guys, I'm going to pull one final tarot card for you in just a second, but first remember this: when they come back crying, and they will, you have to be ready. You are the absolute price. A private reading with me will show you exactly what they are really feeling and what they are thinking, so you don't get tricked again. Click the link in my description now to book your private reading with me so you hold all the power when they return. Let's go ahead and pull your final card today, and here it is. It is the Star. Total healing and pure hope. The dark waiting period, it is officially over. Book your reading below, stay strong, and I will see you very soon.